part 4 of a chair. It's coming together. So this time we're going to start off with taking this cross rail and putting it down below at the bottom. So if I turn on my canvas, you can see we're going to do this one first, and then we're going to do this cross rail up here afterwards. All right, so turn off that canvas. The sketches are turned off, so here we go. So take a joint and find the center of that one. This is the easiest one. Rotate it over, right? Kind of find the center of that one, and away it goes. And you can see how that went that way. A lot of times it's easy to put that to there and nothing moves around, but that's okay, it works. Okay, so we got that one. Now we got to get one that's dead center here and 1/2 an inch down. So we first have to make another piece. So let's find the cross rail, right mouse click. We're going to come down to copy, right mouse click out in the open, click on paste. And I'm just going to kind of move it over here, and we'll kind of move it up into position slightly, and okay. Now, I'm going to take and move this guy dead center, so I'm having issues here spinning around. There we go. And we're going to take the joint from the top center, though, here. Okay. And we're going to take that one, and I'm going to spin this around kind of funky here to here, and you notice it moves in place. And now it needs to be moved down 1/2 an inch. Oh, look at that. Just by one fluke, there's my 1/2 inch. I can type it in, whichever, and I'm done. So there's that one. Okay, so now that one's in place there. Now we got to get this back one. So same thing. I might as well take my cross rail, right mouse click, and go copy. From copy, I'm going to right mouse click out in the middle here, go paste. And this time I'm going to move this one all the way over basically into place. I'm just going to move it off to the side. Okay, now this is going to be a little bit more difficult to actually place because we actually have to do some math. Okay, because we've moved it across, but when I go to select the point here, it's not going to have any reference to it, so it's going to move around a bit. So we're going to click on OK first off, and now what we do is I'm going to spin around, and again, I'm having issues here kind of spinning things. So we're just going to kind of spin it. Okay, I'm upside down and around on you. Hopefully you're doing better than me. And we're going to do a joint. And this joint now, this time, is we're going to do centered up top here. Okay. And we're going to come around as soon as I get there. And we're going to pick the actual bottom of this one. Okay. So we're going to pick right here. Now what it's going to do is come down to that. Now, if I go up, I know that this leg was 17 and this is 1/2 an inch down. So I'm going to go 16 and a half up. So if I pull it up to here, right, look at that, it won't go 16, 17. I can actually scroll in a bit, watch this. And I can go kind of by tenths, 16 and a half, and click on OK. And now what I have is my 3 rails done. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm just going to hit the home here. What is it sitting? Oh, that's kind of sitting kind of funny. So we'll just kind of move it around until I get a position I like so you can see it. Sure, that's what the best we get apparently. Okay, and in the next tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to take this side and put it to the other side and join it, and then we'll start on some other parts of this.